kinda free, but everything feels so right.
And how you find a new procedure on the chin? Because we discussed pre-oil treatment and I added something new for you. Are you happy?
Yeah, for sure. Like, I didn't even know that that kind of procedure existed and what it could do to my face. Just one tiny little thing can really change it. So that's really interesting, and I'm really, really happy with the results.
Will you continue? Do you like to come back for follow-up?
Yeah, for sure. You're the only person I would now come and see because I just trust what you do and the results that it provides, but also it just exceeds my expectations, but still looks natural as well. So I'm really happy.
That's so important. The natural look is that our aim in the clinic. We always do, especially in your age and how you look like. It's so important to achieve and always to look as yourself. We don't want to change anything on your face, just enhance your beauty. This is what you can find here.
Amazing. Yeah, I'm really happy.